the important piece is it's not just about the speed at which these models are moving and how to keep up and how do I participate. It's what do you want? What do you want to create that AI could help you enhance that towards your goals, not the other way around? This is where time becomes something you can feel, not something you need to manage and grip hold of. If you pause and you notice, you'll start to recognize these shifts in your work, in your practice, in your thinking, in everyone around you. But instead of reacting late, angry, frustrated, you'll move with it. You'll flow with it. Having a future AI mindset helps you sit in this space with ultimately less irritation, because this future AI mindset becomes something you carry, you have with you. It's not something you turn on and off. It travels with you. It's your adapting tool. It's your reframing potential. And it keeps you oriented even when things get really unclear. And it deepens your self-power, not in a gripping, controlling way, but in an awareness and an ability to stay present. Choose your response, pause, remain engaged instead of reactive, which all of us can go in the cycles of when we're working with AI. So different stages will ask different things of you. Sometimes you're going to be learning, sometimes you're going to be building, sometimes you're going to be guiding others. But the thread that connects all of it is you and how you choose to bring AI into your practice, how you choose to engage with all of the changing models and what that means to you. So you don't need to focus on controlling or mastering or harnessing your future. You need to build a relationship with it. And that's what future AI mindset allows you to do. Gaze into your future, determine how you want to team and partner with generative AI, create that dynamic on purpose with total intention, and then get into the models and start to create the things that are relevant to your end game goals. So the future AI mindset, both the book, this way, the book and the workshop, you are invited to come join me, work through all of these things, and build the practice that matters for you, because this is not going away. This is something we need to learn how to embrace and bring into our practices, our lives, and our stories.
Register at community.thesalon.ai.